So I just did a speaker upgrade. I've got a full stereo in here. It's a 4-channel amp running the doors, and then I've got two 6.5-inch mid-bass speakers in the back speaker wells, and then I've got a single 2-channel amp running the subwoofer. So I bought some new speakers for the front doors, and what I got were some Rockford Fosgate Prime. I thought I'd see if I could give a impression of maybe what they sound like. So where I'm at right now, I've got the factory speaker in the driver's door, and I've got the Rockford Fosgate in the passenger's door. So thought I'd play a little music through the stereo and see if it picks up on my phone here this difference in sound. There is a big difference. The Rockford Fosgate definitely sounds a lot better than the factory speaker, especially running through a 50-watt RMS amp. So let's give it a try and see what I've got here. This is the factory speaker, and then when you'll see me, I'll fade it from left to right, and you'll see, hopefully hear the difference. I got both of the Rockford Fosgate speakers put in, and thought I'd show you. They actually sound pretty decent. The trebles are a little sharp. They don't handle the power as good as I would have hoped, but they are kind of a low-end speaker. Or let's do a little disturbed, something that actually shows how they sound. That's about as loud as we want to go. They'll overdrive if you get louder than that.
The image in your eyes, reflecting the pain that has taken